Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. Today, we are in the community of Hayden Terrace, which is located in Houston, Texas. Now, this particular community is actually located in the historic Third Ward, which is minutes from downtown and the medical center. Now let's talk about this builder. This builder is Mr. Mayberry. It's called his company is called Mayberry Homes Inc. Mr. Mayberry has been building homes in Third Ward and the surrounding communities for decades. This home is going to be a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, a little over 2,000 square feet, and the list price is going to be $650,000. Now, the one thing about this builder I can attest to is that even though Mr. Mayberry builds luxury homes over $1 million, he also gives back to the community and build homes that are in the affordable housing programs. Now, he does not, and I repeat, he does not cut costs when it comes to the quality of material that he uses for the home. So regardless of the price point, the homes he builds are always beautiful. Now, this home is going to be located, the schools that are zoned to it are going to be Lockhart Elementary, Cullen Middle School, and Yates High School. So, you have any questions regarding this builder, this community, or any other real estate questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. And do me a big favor, hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of weekly tours. Enjoy the rest of the tour.